What can you see over there? And what do you think is inside it? Shape. I'm going to give you some riddles, so let's see if you can guess that shape or not. Shape that's often found in the picture frames on the ground. I have 4 sides and 4 right angles too. What shape am I? Double check.
Yeah.
Do you want to be detective in your life?
Look at the circle. It's a circle. Look, I found the house.
You can go to the learning station of your choice and do the activities. Yes, girls, did you find your words?
Yes. No.
Okay, so start finding. This one. Okay. How many sides a rectangle has? Manha? Children, it's time to switch. Remove your tags, hang them in their areas, and let's move to the next activity. Clean up, and come and sit in a circle. It's time for the wrap up. Do you know what did we learn today? Shape bingo.
Bingo.
And later we will check our friend's word if your friend's word was correct or not. You can exchange your word with your friends. Okay?
Okay.